This is a 52-inch Hunter Oakhurst ceiling fan. Now you're probably wondering, why did you get one of these? Well, thanks imaginary person. I got this because I thought it was cool. But later it would turn out that this thing is not as cool as it would seem. In fact, this fan, compared to the Honeywell, it's just trash. I'll just give you a quick demonstration of it. There's the light, and that's it. Yeah, I'm not kidding. That's literally it, because the fan does not work. High, nothing. Medium, nothing. Low, nothing. Off. I mean, it works, but off is the only speed that works, obviously. But I'm going to try and spin the fan up a little bit, just so I could get like a good spin down of it. Okay, I spun the fan a little bit. It did not go this fast on high. I think this is around medium-ish. And as it slows down, it will get to a low and it will go to off. This fan has been broken for years now, and it's going to be gone pretty soon. I don't think it's going to be like in the next week. But I do know that this fan is not going to be up here for too long. It's going to be gone at least maybe this month, next year. But whenever this fan is going to be gone, it's going to be gone eventually. Because this fan has been broken for over 5 years and it's just being used as a light. And ever since we stopped using the AC that would originally be in that window, but we already got an AC throughout the house. And don't know if you know, but that Honeywell is always running. And there was never an AC, particularly in the living room, at least mounted to the window. But there was in the dining room, and that's basically why that even if the fan didn't break, it still probably wouldn't have been used too much as an actual fan. Probably just a fan video, but probably that's it. That's literally it. So, unfortunately, yeah. This fan is probably going to be gone someday. And is probably going to be soon. Is my battery high enough? It is. It's not that low. There is the Hunter logo out right there. So yeah. It does not work in reverse, it does not work forward, it does not work on any speed. The only speed that does work is off and light. And yeah, that basically is it. That is the Hunter Oakhurst. And this thing is going to be gone soon. Soon. It could be next week, next month, next year. But all I do know is that this thing is probably not going to be lasting for probably another week. Thanks for watching.